Hello everyone, my name is Srinath. Today I'm going to talk about my project, which is Agile approach for innovative AI integrated role-playing game development. So first comes the purpose of the project. The intended audience of the Agile approach for innovative AI integrated role-playing game development (PMP) is all project stakeholders, including the project sponsor, senior leadership, and the project team. These are the assumptions of the project. The project presupposes a pool of qualified developers and AI specialists who can collaborate on in-game AI integration. This premise is key to project success and the customization. The idea that possesses that letting players modify their gaming experiences, such playing a love tale in ancient Rome, is technologically viable and AI is expected to adapt and create content. And next comes global collaboration. The initiative implies global AI professionals that can work together. The development team must use a variety of talents and expertise. And next is 12 months delivery schedule. The company that expects to finish the game in 12 months. Meeting this deadline is critical for project approval. And these are some of the constraints of the project. The first one is budget uncertainty. The company won't estimate the project's budget, and the financial planning and resource allocation may be limited by this limitation and causing budgetary constraints. And this project is experimental, and thus the team will be operating in unexplored terrain and the lack of direction may cause project delays and unexpected issues. And the next one is complex integration. Integrating AI into games to customize gameplay is difficult. Integration and adaptation problems limit the project. And meeting the customer expectation for various changeable tales and settings may be difficult. And it's difficult to satisfy many users' preferences while keeping game integrity. And the last one is data compilation. Collecting genre, chronology, and other data takes time and resources. The initial project phase and development schedule may be affected by this limitation. And AI driven dynamic content creation may have technical limits. These restrictions might be hindered customization and adoption. And this is the scope of the project. The stakeholder engagement. The Agile approach seeks to engage project sponsors and senior management and project team members, acknowledging their vital responsibilities in AI integrated RPG development. And the next one is project sponsor leadership. The project sponsor provides vision, objectives, financial backing, and strategic direction, making their insights and expectations crucial to the Agile approach's success. And the next one is senior leadership support. Senior executives integrate the project with corporate goals, provide resources, develop collaborations, and create a project-friendly climate for organizational integration. And the next one is dedicated project team. Developers and designers use the agile approach to convert ideas into unique games and requiring the cooperation, communication, and dedication. And the agile approach views its audience as network of stakeholders with unique by interrelated responsibilities and working cooperatively to build a new RPG employing AI technology, stressing cooperation, communication, and common commitment to project success. And this is the deployment plan. Before deployment, thoroughly examine and test all features, including user acceptance to guarantee design compliance. And server, database, and RPG system performance optimization are done by DevOps. And configure settings, user roles, and integration for the deployed RPG system following infrastructure setup. And the user training. The training staff trains end users on the new system during system setup. Monitoring and support. DevOps and IT support coordinate deployment and monitor for faults and give timely help to maintain a pleasant user experience. Change control management. Change request form, which creates a standard change request form to collect detailed information about proposed changes, including impacts and risks. And the second one is Change Control Board, which is also known as CCB. Gathered project managers, business analysts, and technical leaders to assess change proposals and make informed judgments on their approval or rejection. And the next one is urgency and impact evaluation. This examines, CCE examines change requests for urgency, timelines, and hazards using a cost benefit analysis. And the next one is approval process. The CCB must approve changes before implementation, with board members documenting and agreeing to provide openness and accountability. And the last one is communication and documentation. Inform stakeholders of allowed changes, update project documentation, team members, and provide full documentation for all changes accepted, refused. And this is the stakeholder management table. And here we can see that there are different columns with different stakeholder names and different stakeholder title, and there is one more thing which is role on project, and the last one is notes for each stakeholder name, which is assigned a different title and a different role and a different project. And here comes the quality analyst team on one cable, on one column, and the quality engineers on one column, and there is quality assurance and testing on one column, and there is ensuring the quality of the project. So for each quality team, which can be assigned to a quality engineer, and that can be assured and tested by one of the quality engineer, and it is also ensured and uh, tested by one of the quality engineer. So yeah. So here comes the quality management, which we previously talked about, the quality management table, and here are some of the points. So the Agile may improve teamwork and adaptability while developing an innovative AI integrated role playing game. This article discusses how to customize Agile to assure AI-infused RPG project quality. And to start the Agile approach, the development team identifies user stories and epics that outline that the key features and functions of the AI integrated RPG. And these tales outline user interactions, game machine mechanics, and the AI components forming the project's foundation. And user stories may describe the player's interactions with an AI-driven NPC and their intended behaviors. And the agile technique involves short development cycles called sprints. Each sprint in AI-generated RPG development might concentrate on AI behavior, combat mechanics, or story. This iteration strategy lets the team periodically release functional game increments for testing, feedback improvements. And this is the procure management and agile approach for innovative AI integrated role-playing game development projects procurement management strategy, which is dynamic and flexible to ensure agility. And traditional procurement management methods may not work for agile projects. That iterative and collaborative nature due to considerable prior preparation, explicit specifications, and fixed contracts. The Agile project procurement management strategy stresses flexibility and reactivity instead of outlining all project requirements upfront, and the plan recognizes that they may change. Thus, the procurement is a continual process that adapts to shifting goals, new technology, and stakeholder input. And the agile approaches include procurement into iterative development cycles. And this involves assessing and changing supplier relationships, contract conditions, and delivery acceptance standards. The project team and external suppliers work closely together under the strategy promoting transparency and communication. This method allows the project to benefit from external suppliers knowledge while guaranteeing that provided solutions meet developing project and goals. And these are some of the references that I have used and gained knowledge from the textbooks. So thank you.